In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language in Mortal Kombat 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, you need to open your Steam app. After doing that, you'll be able to see the Steam homepage right here. And you can see and change everything you want in Steam. And you can check store, library, community, and much more. So, you just want to know how to change language in Mortal Kombat 11. If you want to do that, you need to have the game in your library. When you got the game in your library, you can click your library. So, as you can see, this is your library appear right here in this left side. So, for example, in my case, I don't have the Mortal Kombat 11 here, but it works. It doesn't matter. So you need to select your Mortal Kombat 11. I will select this one, for example, but it works. You need to select, and this tab will appear, and you can check manage, add to, add favorites, and much more. So if you just want to change the language, you can click right here in properties. Now this screen will appear on your screen, and you can check general, updates, installed files, and much more. So as you can see, you just need to click right here in general. So when you do that, you'll be able to see some information about your game. Now you can check language option right here and click in this one in this side, and you'll be able to change the language of your game. In my case, I can change to Spanish and French. So that's the only way to do that. That's how it works on Steam. I hope I helped you in how to change language in Mortal Kombat 11. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.